In June 1989, the Prime Minister of Pakistan stood on this spot and delivered the commencement address titled, "Democratic Nations Must Unite." She spoke about her journey, the importance of citizenry, representative government, human rights, and democracy. I met Benazir Bhutto in Geneva in June of 2007. We both attended a conference that drew together progressive parties from around the world. 7 months later, she was assassinated. Now, there will be opinions and differing perspectives written about all of us as political leaders. Two things that history will not contest about Benazir Bhutto. She was the first Muslim female Prime Minister elected in an Islamic country when women in power was a rare thing. She was also the first to give birth in office. The second and only other leader to have given birth in office almost 30 years later was me. My daughter, Neve Tiaraha Ardern Gayford, was born on the 21st of June 2018, Benazir Bhutto's birthday. The path she carved as a woman feels as relevant today as it was decades ago. And so too is the message she shared here in this place. She said partway through her speech in 1989 the following: "We must realize that democracy can be fragile.